This is my gym and I lift weights here. You can see that I have big weights on the rod. Let me lift it. Oh, it's difficult. There's too much of weight. Maybe I should try some less weight. And then I can lift it. Let's try that. Let's go then. Yes, I can lift this one. Yeah, because the weight is less and not so heavy. Thank you everyone for watching me weight lift. But hey, let's measure your weight. Let's put this on a weighing machine. The luggage. You must have seen that machine at the airport. When you put the luggage on it, it tells you how heavy it is in kgs, which is kilograms, or sometimes in lbs, which is pounds. So this is how you weigh through a machine. Let's learn more about weights then. Let's go, children.